Hello, friend, it's story time.
For Natalie, her garden was a sanctuary of living hope. Tomatoes and lettuce thrived beside each gentle, determined breath there. Diagnosed with chronic illness, she needed pure vegetables more than anyone else today. She nurtured every sprout with patient, watchful hands. Damp soil scent and bright shoots filled her with comfort. One sunny morning, Natalie chose a bottled fertilizer. She scattered it with faith. Days later, her garden's glory wilted to yellow. Leaves curled, edges crisp beneath the mistaken fertilizer. Natalie sank to the soil, sorrow pooling like water around roots of loss. A letter arrived bearing the committee's stern verdict. Organic rules broken. Her cherished plot faced immediate removal today. She watched through glass, remembering first sprouts and early dawns. Dusk painted resolve across her tired, tear-marked face that evening. She chose to seek forgiveness. Hands trembling, she entered Mr. Harrison's orderly committee office quietly.
I never meant harm. This garden sustains my fragile life. Please allow me to restore the soil and practice wiser care from now.
Mistakes happen. Dedication to change is what really counts here. Attend our organic workshop, then work the earth until health returns for all.
Relief washed over Natalie, warm and immediate today. Weeks passed, she knelt again, patiently seeding straight rows of determined renewal today. With honesty and grit, she nurtured tender shoots and her own strength daily.